Let's see how to type integral in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to type in an integral into our document. So what we can do is use the mathematical functions embedded in Microsoft Word. So let's go ahead to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation to insert our equation right here. And you'll notice that our toolbar has now turned into the equation bar, and you have the option to input different equations into your Word document. So to type in an integral, simply click on this integral option right here. And in this list, you'll see a list of the different integrals that you can type into your Word document. Now let's go ahead and click the most basic one. And to input your values, simply click on the dotted box right here and type in your values. And that is how you can type integrals in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.